Most beginner traders fail because they jump straight into indicators and strategies without understanding how price actually moves. In this video, I'll show you 7 technical analysis concepts every beginner trader must know. These concepts are the foundation behind almost every profitable trading strategy. By the end of this video, you'll be able to spot high probability setups using nothing but a naked price chart. Let's get into it. Before using any strategy, you first need to understand the market's direction. That starts with market structure. Market structure describes how price moves and helps traders understand the market's direction. An uptrend forms when price creates higher highs and higher lows. This means buyers are in control, continuously pushing price higher over time. A downtrend forms when price creates lower highs and lower lows. This shows sellers are dominating the market and pushing price lower. A common beginner mistake is trying to buy in a downtrend or sell in an uptrend. Understanding structure helps traders stay aligned with the market instead of fighting against it. But how do traders confirm that a trend is actually continuing? That's where break of structure comes in. Break of structure is one of the clearest signs that momentum is continuing in the current direction. A break of structure happens when price breaks the previous high or low within a trend. This shows that buyers or sellers are still strong enough to continue pushing price in the current direction. For example, in an uptrend, if price forms a new higher high by breaking the last peak, that break is called a break of structure. It confirms the trend is continuing. Many traders use breaks of structure to confirm trend continuation before entering trades. But not every break is valid. Strong breaks usually happen with momentum and increased volume. Now, what happens when price suddenly breaks structure in the opposite direction? That's called a change of character. A change of character occurs when price breaks the structure against the current trend, often signaling a reversal. For example, if price has been forming higher highs and higher lows, but suddenly breaks the previous low and starts forming lower lows, that shift is a change of character, hinting the trend may be reversing. This doesn't always guarantee a reversal, but it warns traders that momentum may be shifting. Many traders wait for additional confirmation before entering a trade because false reversals can happen frequently. That's why many traders combine change of character with support and resistance levels for better confirmation. And speaking of support and resistance are some of the most important price levels in trading. Support and resistance are key horizontal levels where price has reacted before and may react again. These levels often act like psychological zones where large numbers of buyers or sellers enter the market. If the level is below the current price, it's called support, and traders may look for buying opportunities when price returns to it. If the level is above the current price, it's called resistance, and traders may look for selling opportunities when price moves up toward it. Support and resistance is one of the most important skills in trading. But there's a lot more to it than just drawing random lines on a chart. I made a full beginner-friendly guide where I explain everything in detail. I'll leave the link at the end of this video. But price levels alone aren't enough. Traders also use candlestick patterns to read market psychology. Candlestick patterns help traders anticipate possible future price moves by looking at the shapes of candles on a chart. Each shape reflects the battle between buyers and sellers during that time period. That's why candlestick patterns are often used to understand market sentiment and momentum. For example, an engulfing candle shows strong momentum towards the direction of the engulfing candle. A strong bullish engulfing candle can signal that buyers are taking control, while a bearish engulfing candle may signal growing selling pressure. Hammer and shooting star patterns have long wicks, showing rejection at a price level. A hammer candle can signal that buyers stepped in strongly, after sellers pushed price lower, potentially hinting at a reversal to the upside. A doji forms when the open and close are nearly the same, signaling market indecision. This often happens when buyers and sellers are equally matched and neither side has full control. Beginners often try memorizing dozens of patterns, but in reality, mastering just a few strong patterns is usually enough. If you want to learn all the major candlestick patterns in a simple way, check out my video. I'll also leave that linked at the end of this video. Now let's move into one of the most popular smart money concepts: fair value gaps. Fair value gaps became extremely popular through smart money trading strategies. A fair value gap appears when a candle creates a noticeable price gap caused by strong buying or selling. This usually happens when price moves so fast that certain price levels get skipped with very little trading activity. To spot one, look for a candle with a large body. Then mark the gap between the wick of the candle before it and the wick of the candle after it. This area often acts like a magnet, meaning price may return to fill the gap before continuing its move. These gaps represent areas where price moved so aggressively that very little trading happened in between. That's why price often revisits these zones before continuing the move. Finally, let's talk about chart patterns. Chart patterns help traders identify possible continuations and reversals before they happen. Reversal patterns show when the price is likely to change direction and move against the current trend. Traders look for specific shapes on the chart to spot these turning points early. These patterns often appear after a strong trend starts losing momentum. The most common reversal patterns are double tops and bottoms, triple tops and bottoms, head and shoulders, and wedges. Each pattern reflects a shift in the balance between buyers and sellers. These patterns signal that momentum is weakening and a new trend may be starting. A breakout happens when the price suddenly moves strongly in one direction after a period of consolidation. This usually means the market has built up enough pressure for a large move. Traders watch for chart patterns that hint a breakout is coming. The most common ones are wedges, triangles, and rectangles. As price gets tighter inside these patterns, traders prepare for a possible explosive move. When price breaks out of these shapes, it can start a new trend with strong momentum. And remember, no chart pattern works perfectly, but when combined with structure and key levels, they can become much more powerful. Most successful traders don't rely on a single indicator or strategy. They build a strong understanding of how price behaves. And that understanding becomes the foundation behind almost every successful trading strategy. Make sure to watch my full videos on support and resistance and candlestick patterns. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading content.